everybody, I'm Mark, and today I am so excited to be working with Sizzix. We are going to be making the Eileen Hull die cut mat board box and then covering it with some beautiful embossed Reveals paper. Now Reveals paper is really cool because you can emboss it and then sand it and get a different shade of the color underneath. And after I make the lace box, I'm going to show you how to make a photo box with a bunch of your favorite photos. Are you ready to hit the table and get going? Let's make an Eileen Hull die cut box. Today we're making two Eileen Hull mat board boxes with my new Sizzix products. I finally get to work with the Reveals sandable cardstock. Get out the die cut and put a thick chunky piece of mat board on top. I'm using my Big Shot and two extended cutting pads. Make your sandwich and cut 2 sets. Save the excess pieces for this little end here. These are the box guides and we'll need to cut 4 of them. To prep, let's bend the tabs, and because the mat board is thick, we'll want to peel off a little to make everything fit perfectly. This was a little tip I learned from watching Eileen. She's kind of my crafting hero, by the way. Glue the 2 sides together with any white school glue and clamp them while they dry. I keep clothespins in my studio just for this. Add the top and bottom with more glue. Add the lid guides on the inside of the lid. Mine are extended about 1/4 inch. Now the fun part. Cut the Reveals sandable cardstock to fit on the die cut and run it through the Big Shot. I want my box to be every color, so I'm cutting a few. Trim off the tabs. Emboss the pieces with a lace embossing folder. Now lightly sand each piece to reveal a lighter shade. Glue each piece on the box and add a little weight so it adheres evenly. For the photo box, I printed out a collage of some of my favorite images. Adhere them to the mat board with some Sizzix adhesive sheets. Run the pieces through the Big Shot and assemble the box. Happy crafting! I'm going to leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want to see content that I don't post anywhere else, check out my Patreon page. And for inspiration, grab any one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I will see you real soon. Bye.